Hello everyone, welcome to Y2K classes. Today we are going to see how to write capital as well as small letters in cursive. Okay, so let's start writing. Capital A and small a, capital B and small b, capital C and small c, capital D and small d, capital E and small e, capital F and small f, capital G and small g, capital H and small h, capital I, small I, capital J and small j, capital K and small k, capital L and small l, capital M and small m, capital N and small n, capital O and small o, capital P and small p, capital Q and small q, capital R and small r, capital S, small s, capital T, small t, capital U and small u, capital V and small v, capital W, small w, capital X and small x, capital Y and small y, capital Z and small z. So this is how you are going to write the alphabets in cursive. Once again I am repeating. It's A, capital A and small a, capital B, small b, capital C, small c, capital D, small d, capital E, small e, capital F, small f, capital G, small g, capital H, small h, capital I, small I, capital J, small j, capital K, small k, capital L, small l, capital M, small m, capital N, small n, capital O, small o, capital P, small p, capital Q, small q, capital R, small r, capital S, small s, capital T, small t, capital U, small u, capital V, small v, capital W, small w, capital X, small x, capital Y, small y, and capital Z and small z. Okay, so I hope you have liked our video. For more such video, please do subscribe our channel and keep watching Y2K classes. Thank you.